everybody, welcome back, and we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and set Spotify songs as your ringtone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So for example, you're surfing through your Spotify, you liked a particular song and you want to okay, I'm gonna make this song my ringtone, but how? Let me show you. For that, let's go ahead and open our Spotify. Spotify is open. For example, let me go ahead and find my liked song. Let's go to our Your Library, tap on this liked songs, and we have all of the songs that is according to our preference. Go ahead, search your liked song in liked song. So you can see this Strawberry Soju is it's my favorite, guys. So what you can do is generally is you can tap on this three dot and you can go ahead, download the song. The song will be in your library and you're good to go. Of course, you can set a ringtone from your own library, right? But if you do not, but that feature is only available on premium version of Spotify. So you will have to get premium, you will have to purchase that package. You will go to your home, find a particular song, you can download, you can see this download button. You can otherwise create a particular, if you go to your library, you can see press on hold and you will be able to find this download. You can download, you can see it asks for get premium please option over there in Spotify. So once you download your whole playlist from Spotify, it will be your library. You can go ahead, choose any of the songs and set as ringtone. So yes guys, this is it. Unfortunately, non-premium users can't like me, so you have to get premium and you can simply set the ringtone. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you, and yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video.